nice fridge with ice and cold water. Up the stairs to the bedrooms. This one's mine, complete with ironing board. Twin room for my daughter and her daughter. Lovely view from the window. Better still without the curtain, of course. A fabulous bathroom. And the main suite. Complete with a sofa and huge wardrobes. Not to mention a bathroom. Way! Ensuite, of course, for the couple. Some interesting little touches. Here plants. But this is what we've come for. The grand vista. Spectacular. The house itself nestled at the side of the mountain, with loads of places to sit outside. These mountains. You have to admit, these mountains are what it's all about. Not forgetting the sea, of course. And the never-ending blue skies and Utopia.